Hello everyone, welcome back to another video unboxing. This one is HONOR MagicPad2. I've had this for a couple of days, I've just been busy, work, finally got a chance to unbox it. So yeah, I just want to plug my channel. If you were watching my last videos, I did say that I'm not sponsored as usual. I don't have enough subscribers. Would love to be sponsored, but you can sponsor me by just subscribing and liking if you do like this video and so on, and help support me. I said in my last video that I would love to get 500 subscribers by the end of September. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to up the ante a little bit. I want to up it a little bit more. Say, I want to go for 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you can help me out, that'd be fantastic and much appreciated. So back to this. I got this with the keyboard, the pen, the Magic Pencil, so a pencil, free, and 66 watts charger all came free with it. Total price was £450, 449, because I was one of the early birds, so I got £50 voucher on top of that. It would have cost £499. The beginning of the video, you see I put the intro with the specs, so you can pause it, have a look at the specs of this. All right then, what I'm gonna do is put everything away for a bit, and I unbox the main star of the show, which is HONOR MagicPad2. Alright then. So my last my last pad was HONOR Pad 9, which I replaced it with the Redmi, and I gave that to a friend of mine. Alright then, let's start the unboxing. Pretty cool. You see automatically, you see like a little illustration showcase that the pencil wheel at the top. The box is nice and thin, like they always are now. It's got a little flap here to open it up. Alright then, let's see what's inside. I assume, by how light this is, there is no brick. That's why they probably gave me a brick. In here, I see there's probably nothing. Yep, probably nothing. And these ones just, okay, everything will probably be in here. What you have is paperwork, USB A to C, and that's it. And paperwork, USB-C, and so on. I just put this back here, and I'll tidy up, put that back in place later. Alright, so let's get to the pad itself. It is very thin. Aspect ratio is a 3:2, according to the website. Wow, it's really thin. I got the white one. Comment what's that called? It's just called, I don't know what white this is. Nice camera. Got that nice kind of aluminium metal finish in the corner here, like that. I don't know if you can pick up on the phone I'm using. It's white, but it's got kind of feels like marble. It looks like a wavy design. It's very thin. Okay, just peel that off here. Ooh, I really do like it. Nice and thin. It's got a nice aluminium metal thing on the side. Let's see what it's got. On one side, see rolling rocker. You got looks like mics or something like that. On this side, it has nothing and looks like got a bit of dirt. Oh, what's this? I'm going to have to clean that in a sec. Screen. So on the side here you see is a USB-C. It's a 3.1 speaker grills. Alright, then at the top you got more speaker grills and you got a power button, and that seems about it really. It's nice and thin. I'll definitely check what this one's about. If I can't get off, I'll probably get start an exchange with HONOR. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's open up the free keyboard and see how that is looking. Let's take it to the side, open it this way. Alright then, here it is. Okay, so inside, nothing, just paperwork, usual stuff. Put this box aside now. Part of my chair, very squeaky. Alright then. And it's Okay, never been good at opening these things. It's got a nice, pretty good texture to it. Seems pretty thick. Let's have a look inside. Okay, so you've got whatever that is. Alright then, let me just snap this into place and see how it looks. So unlike, say, the, what do you call it, my OnePlus Pad 2, which is magnetic, I just gonna put this box away up here. Alright then, so it seems like it's only got, oh, it's a nice magnet here. Seems like it's only one position. Seems like this is the magnet. That's pretty cool. Fold it up. It's actually pretty thin, unlike some cases with keyboards. It actually keeps it pretty thin. Nice and thin. Okay then. But it's a shame the keyboard doesn't have a trackpad, because if you watch my OnePlus 2 Pad 2, the first unboxing, I was a little bit kind of skeptical about the keyboard. Then after like a more in-depth review or overview, please check that. I really grown to love the keyboard, and the keyboard's actually as good as some PC keyboard because of the trackpad is like full size. So let's check out how good the typing experience is. It actually feels good. I would say probably about a millimeter trackpad, sorry, millimeter travel distance. It's a shame it just doesn't have the trackpad. I'm so used to that with the OnePlus. And then looking on from the side, it's a shame there's only got one, where the OnePlus you can actually detach the keyboard and use it Bluetooth, and it has that, and they're both in two pieces. And then the back here is almost like a Surface Pro. You can actually put it in multiple angles and stuff like that. But hey, it's free. It's free, so I can't complain too much about that. Okay, put that one away, and now let's unbox the pencil. I keep on calling it a pen. I'm so used to saying pen because of my Surface Pro. When I use it at work all the time. All right then. To be fair, this is actually my first pen for a tablet, because I don't really like using pens, even for my Surface Pro at work. Okay, same thing inside here, just paperwork, so nothing too much to talk right about in here. All right then, the pen kind of reminds me of Apple, I will say, a little bit. Nice and white. I mean, it's kind of hard not to I think every company kind of take inspiration from Apple, so you can't escape that. Okay, so here it does feel pretty good to hold. It's like they designed it in a way it does feel like holding a pencil rather than a pen. I do like that. Of course, there's a flat bit here where it will kind of magnetize. Let's have a look. Here it is. Let's put the whole thing out. There you go. Ain't so bad, is it? But to be fair, it doesn't feel that strong though. It really doesn't feel that strong. Am I putting it the right way? I mean, strong enough. I'm shaking it back, but it just doesn't feel that strong. Oh, I wonder, what's it saying here? Oh, I see. There you go. I was putting it too much in the middle. It's actually more on the side here. That's it. It's much more stronger now. So it's more on your right side. I was putting it too much in the middle. That's why. Of course, I had to look at these illustrations to tell me. So there you go. So it's actually a lot more stronger now. Yeah, you're right. It's much more stronger and you can feel it. So yeah, this is the unboxing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set this up, play around for about a day or so, and look forward to my more in-depth overview about this device and so on. So anyway, I have to say thank you. Until next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are in the world, and please do stay safe. Until next time, goodbye.